학생들. 학생들 is students. 식당. 식당 restaurant. So umshik. Umshik is food. Padgo. Padgo is collect. İssem nida doing. 학생들이 식당에서 음식을 받고 있습니다. Students are receiving food in a cafeteria or restaurant. 남자가. 남자 is a person. 계단. 계단 stairs. Ulla. Ulla is upward. Kha is going. Go 있습니다 is doing. 남자가 계단을 올라가고 있습니다. He is going upstairs. 사람들. 사람들 is people. 공원. 공원 park. 공원에서 체조. 체조 is exercise, gymnastic exercise or yoga. 하고 있습니다 doing. 사람들이 공원에서 체조를 하고 있습니다. People are doing gymnastic exercise in a park. 불이 났습니다. There has been a fire. 사람들. 사람들 is people. 줄 is line. So is in a queue. 기다리고. 기다리고 is waiting. 있습니다 doing. 사람들이 줄을 서서 기다리고 있습니다. People are waiting in a line. 사람들. 사람들 people. 강변. 강변 is riverside. 강변에서 자전거. 자전거 is cycle. 타고 있습니다. 타고 있습니다 is riding. 사람들이 강변에서 자전거를 타고 있습니다. People are riding bicycles by the riverside. 여자. 여자 is female. खोले. खोले is duster. Row is with duster. 탁자 table. 탁 is cleaning. go 있습니다 doing. 여자가 콜레로 탁자를 닦고 있습니다. She is wiping or cleaning a table with a wet duster. 할머니들. 할머니들 is old ladies. 식사 meal 하고 계십시오. Old ladies are having a meal. 의사 doctor. 아이 child. 친절 is examining or checkup. 하고 있습니다. 의사가 아이를 친절하고 있습니다. A doctor is examining a child. 의자 chairs. 부족 is insufficient. 합니다. 의자가 부족합니다. There are insufficient chairs. 아이가 is child. 기분 is mood. 좋아 is good or happy. 웃 is smiling or laughing. go 있습니다 doing. 아이가 기분이 좋아서 웃고 있습니다. A child is laughing as he is happy. 카메라로. 카메라로 is with a camera. 사진 picture. 찍 is taking. go 있습니다 doing. 카메라로 사진을 찍고 있습니다. He is taking photos with a camera. 사람들 people. 등산 is hiking. 하고 있습니다 is doing. 사람들이 등산을 하고 있습니다. People are going up a mountain. Namja is a person. Shinmun, newspaper. Pho is seeing or watching. Go is samnida, doing. Namjaga. Shinmunal Phogo is samnida. He is reading newspaper. Khop is cup. Thun is available. Mul, water. Mashi, drinking. Go is samnida, doing. Khope thun. Mullal mashigo is samnida. He is drinking a glass of water. Young book. Young book is two-piece suit. With is up. Oath, cloth. Ipgo is wearing is samnida, doing. Young book with osal. Ipgo is samnida. He is wearing a jacket. Omshik, food. Tugop samnida. Tugopda is hot. Omshiki, tugop samnida. The food is hot. Saramdal, people. Ondongjang. Ondongjang is playground. Chukku. Chukku is football. Hago is samnida, doing. Saramdari. Ondongjang is so. Chukkural. Hago is samnida. People are playing soccer at a playground. Chang is window. Pakkal is outside. Po is watching. Myonso is wild. Kophiral, coffee. Mashi is drinking. Go is samnida, is doing. Chang pakkal po myonso. Kophiral, mashigo is samnida. He is looking out of a window while drinking coffee. Phadak. Phadak is floor. Mikropda is slippery. Phadaki mikropsamnida. The floor is slippery. Ichib, this house. Puok is kitchen. Opsamnida is not available. Ichibe, puoki opsamnida. This house does not have a kitchen. Chaga. Chaga is cars. Millyoso. Millyoso is like very close with each other. Kyothong, traffic. Phukjap is jam. Hamnida. Chaga millyoso. Kyothongi phukjap hamnida. There is a traffic jam. Khibuni. Khibuni is mood. Chusamnida, happy. Khibuni chusamnida. He is happy. Saramdal, people. Khabang, bag. Khor. Khorgo is selecting. Issamnida, doing. Khabangal. Khorgo is samnida. People are selecting or choosing bags. Muk is neck. Thulli is rotating. Ondong, exercise. Hago is samnida, is doing. Mukkal thullinan ondongal. Hago is samnida. He is exercising by rotating his neck. Novoso. Novoso is laying down. Chakkal, book. Ilk is reading. Go is samnida, is doing. Nuvoso. Chakkal, ikko is samnida. He is reading a book in a laying posture. Nun is snow. Vaso is coming. Chupsamnida, cold. Nuni vaso chupsamnida. It is very cold because of snowing. Saramdal, people. Khungbu, study. Hago is samnida, is doing. Saramdari, khungbural, hago is samnida. People are studying. Saramdal, people. Nakshi is fishing. Hago is samnida, is doing. Saramdari, nakshiral, hago is samnida. People are fishing. Changap, gloves. Khor, select. Go is samnida, doing. He is choosing gloves.